My name is Nguyen. I am the group project manager and teams leader of the Sketchers, a group formed in the Intro to IT course. So our project is named Particeps. So today, me and my teammates will introduce our project. My part is to introduce the overview and project description of Particeps and how we test them and what our future ambition and expansion for Particeps will be. So if you look on the screen here, this is the link to our website. If you go to it, this is the website of the Sketcher and Particeps. Here there's a prompt button. Go to Particeps. You click on it. It will lead you to the login and register page. My teammate Lin will help you know how to navigate through that later. And here's the menu of the website. You can navigate to go to each part of the website. So let's go to project description. So this is the logo originally designed by Surabi, the design manager of our group. And let's go to overview. So basically, Particeps Latin for companion. It is an assistant to help you improve your English. So this is the original mechanisms of Particeps, but due to time constraint, it is reduced to this. So basically, the user go and register an account, right? And then log in, and then it will lead you to the Particeps website. And then you answer the survey, right? And depending on the result, either you're a visual, text, or a hybrid learner, it will lead you to the appropriate template. Here's the text template, here's the video template, and here is the hybrid template, which include both text and visual cues like photos or videos. So due to time constraint, we have to reduce the scope and feature of Particeps to only an English learning site. So in the future, we want to have Particeps have more topics. The aesthetics of the templates improve, and we want to add more templates to Particeps because there's more topics. We want to expand our project to other platforms like mobile and tablets. We want to monetize our project and make it a product so we can market on social media and sell them. So finally, we test the product by introducing it to our other groups and other classmates and other people, and so far the results have been very positive. So my teammate Lin will go further into that.
My name is Thao. I will talk about the tools and technology. Each free GitHub account can only be used to host one web page connect to repository. Therefore, our group used two accounts to host the Sketchers website and the Particeps web-based software separately. Occasionally, we also use the Heroku as an alternative version control to host the sign up and login page. Finally, for Particeps to store and register different accounts of user, Sketcher employ PHP MyAdmin, which allow administration to access the remote data online through the local device. There are too many sites builder out there, but it's offer limit drag and drop functionally as developer can only move the element to predefined location. Look at the picture right there. Instead of having to use traditional graphic tools like Adobe Photoshop or XD to draw the interface for the website and have to use the separate software to convert the image into the working website, Nice Page is a time cost and effort saving option for Particeps as we implement custom drag and drop functionally without the need to mock up image anymore. Besides, NicePage also provides us a variety templates and give us a lot of options where we can combine to switch to many different templates by adding a new page and download later. It's also a free website building tool which require no coding skill, and we are new to coding, so NicePage will support us. AppSheet can be used on multiple platforms like Android or iOS, which will help Particeps reach more customers when they use the app on any platform. The most important thing is that AppSheet can connect to the Google Sheet or Excel format to get the data. It's very handy where we can easily manage the data work remotely. Based on that, we will provide users with a customized interface which is the most suitable for them. Machine learning is the most important tool for Particeps because it helps us to customize the web app by learning the keywords that the customer find and learning their habits, their behavior. From that, we can have the right recommendation for them. Besides that, in the future, we want to provide the chatbot, which is service 24/7, and it will learn the natural language to communication with the customer and solve their problem. In this assignment, Build-File and Microsoft Azure will not be used, but in the future, Microsoft Azure Classic will help us in the back end and Build-File will help us in the front end. Information retrieval is the act of collecting the data which meets the customer needs, and it goes through four stages: crawling, index, ranking, and relevant feedback. For the engine web crawler, the user will input the keyword into the search engine and employ it into the web crawler as the index and return the output to the user interface. When business need a system to manage their employees or customer, they must design a database to store the information. If only storing it in the paper or Excel format, it will contain a lot of risks, such as losing or deleting. But by SQL, it will have efficiently managed and query the information faster, make it easier to maintain the information.
Hi, my name is Saurabhi. I'm going to talk about roles. Tom is a presenter, front-end developer, and project manager. His strength is presentation skills, and he's a flexible member between tasks. Tao is a marketer and secondary designer. She's good at communication and networking skills. Lynn is a back-end developer and a product reviewer. She is detail-oriented and she has a passion towards coding. Saurabhi is a logo designer and an aesthetic manager. She's logical and organized. Hi, I'm going to talk about the skills and jobs. For the professional team, we have finalized 4 positions. That's the business analytics, quality assurance, front-end developer, and the back-end developer. For the business analytics, they're improving the bridge between the IT and the business, improving the efficiency, and determining the requirement and process via data analytics. Required skills are stakeholder analysis and the communication skills, and so on. For the backend web developer, the job description is there, the spinal cord, and the programming languages used are CSS, HTML, JavaScript, and so on. They experience and they should be fluent in coding. Required skills are able to handle the front end and the back end coding, and so on. For the front-end developers, the job description is designing the web page customer-friendly and eye-catching, delivering the best online user experience to our clients. Required skills: knowing about the web markup language and having a fair knowledge about design, graphic design. Quality assurance engineering job description is testing out the final outcome, suggesting solutions to enhance the quality. Required skills are 5 years of experience in coding languages and knowing how to fix bugs and critical thinking and so on. The essential skills are for everyone. They need to know time management, problem solving, critical thinking, teamwork, creativity, and all these.
Okay, hi, my name's Ling, and I'll be the one who do the product demonstration of the group. So let's dive right into it. We will start with the same sign up page. This is how the login page look like. But before logging in, I will briefly show you the backend stuff of the website. Briefly speaking, I use Heroku to host our website and its backend. The detail of how I make the public database will be in the report, but here I will only show you like the table that saves all the users' data. There are already a few accounts here. These are our friends' account. For the sake of testing, I will also show you a few lines of codes of the database. These two connect the website to the database. This is the server, the user's name server, and the password. This is the database. Like you can see it here, the database hosts the table. These lines of codes input the data into the table of the database. Yeah, and that's it. Okay, we will start with the login in. For the sake of demonstration, I will register a new account. Name Ling. Password is 123. Register. Okay, registration succeeds. And then it will lead me to a survey. How the survey works. Our group use JS, JavaScript to make the website operate. So C is the variable that determines what type of learner are you. C is smaller than 5, which means you're a visual learner. C equals 5, you're a hybrid one. and sees it's like larger than 5, you're a text learner. Okay, let's say I choose A for all the surveys questions. Here, A. You're a visual learner, and this page attaches a link that will link me to a page full of visual stuff, which are videos. If you don't want to learn by videos, you can also choose a text template here, full of text. And same goes with hybrid. Hybrid is the balance between text and video. And by the way, at the end of the page, you can also see the link that will lead you to our group's website. There, and that's it.